Okay, welcome to the Rediscover to the World. Today it's a beautiful sunny and bright day, and we are in Preston City Centre. We are currently in Preston City Bus Station. So you can see here's the bus station, uh, and here's the bus station. So the plan for today is that we're going to cover the St. John shopping mall, and once we cover the St. John shopping mall, then probably we will be going to city center
Statue
statue
train.
trail. All those statues you will find, there are a number of statues. There are a number of statues that so in statues we will find, there are how many statues we have? It's more than 10 statues. 13 and 14 of them. So that's the St. John shopping mall here in Preston City Centre, which is very close to bus station. It's a beautiful sunny and bright day today. So that's the outdoor market, yeah. Let's go for crossing. So this is a new painting they did it here. The scroll has a moral. That's Oxnema and all this new. Yeah. So many flowers here. That's the Preston City Centre outdoor market. Very famous market. That's the market hall that we're going inside. Yeah. So many dinners from here. That's the vegetable market and the fruits. This is Preston view of Preston Market. Yeah. Cherry Pie Cafe, which is very famous. Cherry Pie Cafe, yeah.